Previously on Big Bear Fishing. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Big Bear Fishing. I am your host, Nathan, aka Bear. With Ezra, we are going to do some saltwater fishing today, and he's throwing the trout trick on an 1/8 ounce jig head, and I am throwing a little husky jerk with Procure on it. He's got Procure on his. Hopefully we can get out here and catch, I don't know, what do you think we're going to catch today? Definitely flounder.
Yeah.
We always catch flounder. Probably flounder and lizard fish. Probably lizard fish. Maybe a drum. Hopefully a drum. But this is the continuation of the last part of the video where I caught the little bluefish in the surf. Let's get out there and catch some fish. Feels like a flounder. Yeah. Yep.
Big?
No. Nah, not big.
Flounder on a topwater horse kind of looking up.
Huh?
The flounder on a topwater horse.
Topwater?
Are you trying to surf bait?
That's not topwater. Oh, he got off.
Wow.
Dad, I'm out of your way. Oh. It's a flounder. What's that in front of you right there? So what was that right in front of you there? Look at that little guy. Just look at his mouth. Look at that. Alright. There you go, flatfish. Big pinfish. Yeah. That's a big pinfish.
You didn't chuck it out there at the bait.
Huh?
You didn't chuck it out there.
That's bait.
Yeah.
Boy, this thing is... Y'all, look at the size of this pinfish. Look at the belly on it. That is huge. Alright. Look at the colors on that thing. That is so pretty. Alright, let's get him back in. There it goes. croaker. Alright y'all, so this is a croaker. This is part of the drum family. It's pretty, isn't it? Alright, well, I was gonna release it anyway, so that'll work. But that is, I think that's part of the drum family, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, cool. Little croaker. So we got a croaker, two flounder. What else? Oh, that really chunky pinfish we just caught. This is turning out to be a really good day. Just gotta get Ezra on some fish. I think he's getting bummed out because he hasn't caught anything yet. That's it for today. We caught multiple species. That was really cool. So all together we had what, 2 bluefish, 2 flounder, a croaker, and a big gluttonous pinfish. So pretty cool. I can't complain. I gotta go home. I gotta go pick up. So my buddy's giving me a shed. We took the shed apart. It's in his yard. I have to load it up. I'm gonna put it on my boat trailer, bring it over to my house, and then I don't know if we're gonna put it up today or not. Looks like it's gonna storm. But anyway, of course something blessed right there. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. Comment down below. If I don't respond, just holler at me and I will respond to it. I don't always see them. Sometimes they go under the radar. And subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I'll catch y'all next time. Take care.